everyone and welcome back to Navigated School Assembly News. Today is 18 June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. India is showcasing its defense technology at Eurosatory 2026 in Paris, one of the world's largest defense exhibitions. DRDO is displaying the Pinaka rocket system and VSHOR-AD missile system. India successfully tested its indigenous long-range land attack cruise missile, accurately hitting a target over 1,000 kilometers away.
International news. The US and Iran have agreed to a peace framework aimed at ending hostilities and reopening the Strait of Hormuz. The agreement is expected to be formally signed in Switzerland this week. The UN climate meetings in Bonn, Germany conclude today, with over 7,000 delegates discussing climate action, clean energy and environmental protection.
Karnataka state news. Karnataka is expanding clean energy projects with cities like Koppal and Gadag developing new wind and solar power hubs.
Sports news. The FIFA World Cup 2026 continues with exciting group stage matches, attracting football fans from around the world.
Thought of the day. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.